Hello everybody, we're here at Don Mueang Airport, just come off the aeroplane and we're on the way out. So the SRT station here is connected and we're going to head over towards Sukhumvit Road. We're going to Sukhumvit Soi Nana, and here you go, airport street food if you're a little bit peckish. Follow the signpost to the SRT Red Line or รถไฟฟ้าสายสีแดง. Okay, here we are inside the SRT station and you've got your usual things over there like your currency exchange and a little bit of food if you need some. And there we go, we want the ticket office because we want to get ourselves a ticket or Riandoi Than. You can use the ticket vending machines here, which has a handy English option, and everything is just touch screen. But I'm going to the ticket office there, and we'll go through security first.
Hello.
สวัสดีครับอยากไปบางซื่อ
So, Bangsu is 33 baht, please.
32 baht 33 baht
33 baht.
Okay. Okay, through here and it's to the left and it's platform 3 I think. Let's just check this out. There we go, Bang Su. And let's go up, Tang Kun. Okay, we've come up to the platform now. Let's get on. And this is where we're heading to here. Okay, we're at Bang Su Grand Central Station, guys. Okay, this is a very big station and I've got to find the Blue Line MRT. And there we go, look at that over there. Nicely signposted. Okay, follow the signs, MRT Blue Line, and we get some tickets there, just down here, to the trains. Nice little sign over there. And here we go. We've got to go through the security here. Little metal detectors and that. I always get pinged with them as well. Make sure you have your bag open like this. Okay. Oh, look at that queue over there for the tickets. There's also queues over here for the ticket machines. Look at that. I'll be out of here by next Saturday. ดีครับอยากไปสุขุมวิท
ได้ค่ะ42 บาทนะคะ
42 บาทโอเคขอบคุณครับ
58 บาท
โอเคขอบคุณครับ Okay, it's all underground from here, folks. Okay, we're at Sukhumvit MRT station, everybody, and it's very busy, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to take exit 3 here, BTS Asok Station. Okay, and out we go. So when we come up here, we should come up near the Asok BTS station as well. And then we're not too far away from Soi for Nana, where we're going. Okay, here we are. Okay, we're not far from Soi Nana now, so there's two ways to get to Soi Nana. You can either use those, and if you go by foot, it's going to take you about 8 minutes to walk. However, if you just come out of the station and you turn right and walk for about 1 minute, you will come to a motorcycle stop. Okay, for Sukhumvit Soi 1, 2 and 4, the price is 50 baht, no bargaining. And here we are, everybody, at Soi 4, or better known as Soi Nana on Sukhumvit Road. And it started to rain a little bit, would you believe it? And that's just about it for this video. So remember, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscription button, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.